Welcome to Behind the Trigger, and today we're going to be doing a little bit more testing with the Savage Mark II, part of the budget rifle. This is a non-Accu trigger model. I did, however, install the rifle Basix Sav-R sear, and also dropped a Vortex Diamondback 6-24 on it. We're going to see if we can tighten up those groups with just those two things. Let's get to it. Oh, by the way, still using the CS Specs mags, and I'm going to be using the Old Wolf Match Extra, not the new stuff. The new stuff is currently being manufactured by Ely. The old stuff was actually manufactured by Lapua. So let's see if we can tighten up those groups. Don't know what happened on that shot. The wind did pick up, so it could have been that. Yeah, I think it's the wind playing with things. That one was me. I pulled that one. That one was me for sure. Okay. Well, all in all, this is a pretty good rifle. Actually, for the price, you can't complain. And I don't think you could beat it for the price. It is accurate as long as you can do your part. Obviously, today I'm not doing my part. I keep on pulling shots. That with the gust and wind, it's probably about a steady 8 to 10 mile an hour wind with about 15 to 20 gusts. So, and it's varying from a tailwind to a headwind just because of the way the range is set up. But all in all, I mean, if I do my part and if I accurately judge the wind and compensate, this thing can shoot and it will shoot. Would I be taking to competitions? Not in this configuration. For me, the stock's not comfortable to shoot. But definitely for a trainer or to get out and plank or do some small game hunting, definitely worth the coin. Can't pass it up. Runs good. Till next time.